Welcome to Unpack Your Financial Baggage, where we help you answer one simple question. Will you outlive your money, or will your money outlive you? Here are your hosts, certified financial planner and managing partner of Melone Private Wealth, Lou Melone, and editor of D-Business Magazine, RJ King.
We'll talk about a portfolio as it adheres to a long-term plan. And this can be essentially up to a 50-year portfolio. So in that perspective, it's an ongoing plan and not a one-off exercise.
Yeah, that's exactly right. You know, we always begin the portfolio conversation with this. We're financial planners first, and our clients' portfolios are the funding mechanisms for their lifetime plan. So we view the portfolio as a tool for the realization of our clients' goals. It's never an end in itself or the primary focus. As we've mentioned in past podcasts, the order of importance is always going to be goals, plan, then the portfolio.
I would
The
imagine
information provided is for educational, informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, and it should not be relied on as such. It should not be considered a solicitation to buy or an offer to sell a security. It does not take into account any investor's particular investment objectives, strategies, tax status, or investment horizon. You should consult your attorney or tax advisor. The views expressed in this commentary are subject to change based on market and other conditions. These documents may contain certain statements that may be deemed forward-looking statements. Please note that any such statements are not guarantees of future performance, and actual results or developments may differ materially from those projected. Any projections, market outlooks, or estimates are based on certain assumptions and should not be construed as indicative of actual events that will occur. All information has been obtained from sources believed to be reliable, but its accuracy is not guaranteed. There is no representation or warranty as to the current accuracy, reliability, or completeness of, nor liability for, decisions based on such information, and it should not be relied on as such. Melone Private Wealth LLC, MPW, is a registered investment advisor. Advisory services are only offered to clients or prospective clients where MPW and its representatives are properly licensed or exempt from licensure. No investment strategy or risk management technique can guarantee returns or eliminate risk in any market environment. All investments include a risk of loss that clients should be prepared to bear. The principal risks of MPW strategies are disclosed in the publicly available Form ADV Part 2A. Generally, among asset classes, stocks are more volatile than bonds or short-term instruments. Government bonds and corporate bonds have more moderate short-term price fluctuations than stocks, but provide lower potential long-term returns. U.S. Treasury bills maintain a stable value if held to maturity, but returns are generally only slightly above the inflation rate. This has been the Unpack Your Financial Baggage podcast. Feel free to share this episode with someone you think it may benefit. You can also follow our show on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you're listening right now. To learn more about Melone Private Wealth, visit MalonePrivateWealth.com. The Unpack Your Financial Baggage podcast is produced by Jag and Detroit Podcasts.